in good afternoon man I did I get me. We're going to start from the 10 members to 11 members. We're going to start from 10 members and we'll start 10 members. Okay, we're going to start. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm calling 5 o'clock. Well, you 10 members and we'll start. Start with gold. If you can actually GBPJPY. Please, if you can get this indicator in the comment section, you can get this indicator. 4 of us, I think four of us can start. If you guys can get me, just indicate, let's get started with this. Please, if you guys can hear me, just indicate, let's start. Please, if you can get me, just indicate down, let's start, by the way, please. Alright, perfect. 7 of us. Okay, just let me know if you can see my screen. Let me share my screen. By the way, you can see my screen. Just let me know.
So now, just keep sharing. You just see your intention. Yeah.
That's fine. Yeah, see.
Yeah, normally just do that. So you don't take for long. Share. Yeah. Anything comes to the light way of here, you just reload and come back here and come back to this image. You need to actually stop this one. You can see the layer where you're shading. The same thing is one. Very okay. Is it good?
Yeah, all right. Okay, guys. We are in section very now, and I think if you can just hear me, just let's get started. We start with gold. We just start with GBPJPY. Please, if you can get me, just indicate. Let's get started. By the way, please. Mr. Anu Wilfred, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Please, if you can get me, just indicate. If you can get me, just indicate by 11 of us now. If you can get me, just indicate with the fire emoji. The fire emoji, let's get started with this. Please, by 11 of us, if you can get me, just indicate. Let's get started. Can you hear me? Please, thank you. you can get. Alright, perfect. I think you guys can get this. Okay, basic applications of our way drop them in the comment section. So now, start with GBP, we start with XAUUSD. I mean, sorry, GBPUSD. With GBPJPY, guys. Okay, GBPJPY. So analyzing gold and GBPJPY. Please, as we're going, if you have any questions, go ahead and drop them in the comment section. Let's dive into this out. Alright, perfect. Alright, let's just get started. We'll start with GBPJPY, guys. We'll be starting with GBPJPY. And as we're going, please, if you have any worries or any questions, drop them in the comment section. Let's dive into it itself. Okay, guys, here is our GBPJPY. Let's start everything and start with the Virgin chart. We're going to start with the Virgin chart. Start with 4 hours. What I'm saying today, I'm saying. I hope everyone can see my screen. I hope everyone can see my screen. Okay, well, we'll start with GBPJPY. This GBPJPY is 4 hours time in my. If you can notice very well, GBPJPY is 4 hours time. I've been training for some time now. I remember what we will do the first thing we get we dive into the chart is we're looking at look at the direction of the market and I will try to map out some of our important key levels. Alright, here we go. This is where we have been training up. We're training up for the longest time in 4 hours time frame. And when we approach this high, we fail to create a new high here, giving us you can see price levels equal heights from here. We're expecting price to take out this high and continue our way. Give us this high, equal high. So now what we're anticipating actually we're anticipating for a sell on GB. That's just our that's just what we can see on the 4 hours time frame. Remember as we are seeing this. We have this is what we have before as in map out some of our most this our most obvious key levels. We have where current market prices are. We have these. Okay, perfect. Continuation pattern. This is a continuation pattern and ascending triangle. Just on the first we can see a very strong continuation pattern and ascending triangle. Let's keep going now to see what we have. Map out our most obvious key levels. 1 hour time frame. We have this. Remember, we're mapping out our most obvious key levels, right? We have this. We have this respected here. Okay. Here we have this. Alright, perfect. Adjust the perfect. Alright, these are we have this and we have this. We have this and this. Alright, okay. Yeah, guys, these are our most obvious key levels we have on 1 hour time frame. And remember, this is an ascending triangle. So just looking at 1 hour time frame, what we can be anticipating is we are anticipating, because now with this triangle, this pattern, it has to, the continuation pattern is it has to break away. So just in the 1 hour time frame, you can see we are expecting price to give this back and give us a touch this trend line, then we'll continue. This is what we have on the 1 hour time frame. So we're looking out for short possible sales in overall. You know how you can buy the market except the breakout from this trend line. All right, going out to the 30-minute time frame, right? These are point of interest. This is our main point of interest here. This consolidation is our point of interest. Remember, every consolidation is a point of interest. Remember that every consolidation is a point of interest. All right, we have this key level again here. We have this key level here. Perfect. We have this. All right. Let's see if if you can map out the zone, the whole zone on this lesson. We have this zone. We have this zone. All right, perfect. This is what we have on the 30-minute time frame. This is the 30-minute time frame. So we're still anticipating the price pull back down here. It will give us a touch on this trend and go pushing up to its normal direction. Remember, this is a very strong key level which you just break out. This is a very short level which you just break out. So we might be having something like this. We might see price giving us something like this, rejecting slow. This you always break out here. Price reject it, pull back up. These are the two things we have. So price break out, give us pull back down to this trend and give us a touch on this trend line. If price pull back down this trend line, it's going to be giving us our fourth touch, 1, 2, 3, our fourth touch. Usually tested there. Let's see what we have on the 15 minutes time frame. All right, 15-minute time frame is actually it's actually very thin here. We actually pull back up here. We mostly tested this level and we are talking. What I personally think we are going to be having in this UHG point, because we receive breakout from here. I think price is going to stay here and push back up. Price might push up from here, like you might have something like what I've just showed you up here. You might have something like this on GBPJPY and XAUUSD. We might be seeing something like this on GBPJPY because we really break out here. I was expecting price to reject from here, but it came from the breakout and it's actually pretty good test. So this is what we are anticipating on GBPJPY. The short-term buy, though which is not still very valid. Yeah, this is what we have from GBPJPY for us. GBPJPY is the entry that is not the one attached on the 15-minute time frame. Yes, that's that for GBPJPY. That's that for GBPJPY. Let's dive down to gold right away. Let's look at gold. That's that for GB. That is GBPJPY. So far for GBPJPY, if you have any questions or anything, so there's no problem. If you have any suggestions, while using your suggestions, let's go down. Let's check out on gold. Let's check out on gold. Gold. Gold want to buy again. All right. We start with the imaging chart as usual. These are imaging chart in gold. Just start with the first. All right. This is gold before us time frame. If you can notice clearly on gold, we have been trending up for the longest time. Gold for the longest time. And we actually break out from this high. This is the last. This was our last high before us. Break out from this high. We break out here and had this retest. You break out from this high and have this retest. That's why most of you guys have been seeing, most of the Telegram guys have been trying to buy gold because of this retest. But gold, the whole of this week has taken out a lot. It has taken out so many people without doing nothing. The whole of this week, look at what God has been doing. We have been consolidating on gold for the whole of this week. Since morning, we have been consolidating. We haven't had a solid push. But I actually think gold is actually consolidating on this level to push back to the upside. This is the first time you can see gold might be giving us something back like this. Gold might be giving here back to the all-time high. This is the all-time high. Yeah, gold might put it back to the all-time high just from this retest. Remember, we break out from here, had this retest and boom. Personally, I think we will continue bullish on gold. We are going to continue bullish on gold. We will continue bullish on gold, except price wants to change its direction. And in Iran and Russia, the price of gold is actually going to evolve. It's actually going to gold might reach 4K. Should everything continue as it's going now, immediately break out from this consolidation, then I bet you are going to. If you were to break out from this consolidation, you should be expecting about 500 pips, at least 1K pips on gold. The moment you break out from this consolidation, because since morning we have consolidating here since morning. Since morning. Let me just mark the box here actually. This here, all of this is since morning. Since morning, we haven't had a clear direction on gold. All of this. This is the consolidation. Ever since morning, we have been consolidating. And you guys remember, every point of consolidation is a key point of interest. Every point of consolidation is a key point of interest. Okay, so looking at the consolidation on gold, the 4 hours time frame, we can already have a clear direction on where we can already see what we are looking for, what we are aiming for. We are aiming for buy opportunities in the market. We are aiming for buy. We are getting into this market looking for buy opportunities. All right. So what we're going to do here, remember our day traders, let's map this. That's this one is higher. Map this. All right, we have this high map out. We have this. This is where we should be aiming for a buy. We should be aiming at somewhere here as day traders. They said you want to hold your trade right up to this side. But like I said, if we're buying, you should be aiming for this high as day traders. Okay, that's the 4 hours time frame, right? So we go down to the 1 hour time frame and see what we have. How you guys are following, how you guys are getting what I'm saying, please. Okay, we're going on to the 1 hour time frame to see what we have. So remember we're achieving pure price action, the 1 hour time frame, we're looking out for possible. We're looking out for possible, we're looking out from the 1 hour time frame down to 4 from 4 hours, 1 hour 30 minutes, we're looking for chart patterns, either continuation patterns or reversal patterns. Okay, we look here. If you don't identify a pattern, you just map out a zone which price has been ranging. We just map out the whole of this zone which price has been ranging since last week. We have this zone. This is the zone price has been ranging since last week. You guys take note. You guys pay attention on what I'm doing. This is the zone price has been ranging here since last week. Since Monday, we have been in this channel. Price has been ranging in this channel since Monday. Since Monday, let's adjust. Yeah, remember, I don't have to be very solid. I don't have to be very, very solid. All right. This is a zone we have been consolidating for the longest time. That's fake out. And we came up, we had this fake out, and move here. All right, just looking at gold 1 hour time frame, you can clearly see we are still on a key level. This is a key level here. This is where we are still at. We are still consolidating at this point. Remember, when solar price is going to break, then we are going to be going up. We are going to be buying, like we are going to be bullish as never before. Immediately price break out from this consolidation. This is what we should be aiming for. We should be aiming out for this high above here. The moment price break out from this consolidation, we should be aiming for this high above here. And you guys can tell you guys should take note of something out here. Remember gold. The one other confirmation which is another thing which is actually giving me confirmation which I think gold is personally going to buy is remember we have been giving out fake out here, we break out from here. This is one attempt, right? We had this breakout here, fake. This is actually a fake out. It took out a lot of people were buying from here. A lot of people started buying good from here. It took out everybody, came down here, people were still buying from here, it took them out, put them out, put them out. So yeah, it has been giving us these 20 rejections down here. Just these rejections alone is an indication that we are pushing out to the upside. All right, we go down to the 30-minute time frame. Are you guys getting it, please? I hope everything is going fine. All right, perfect. About 14 minutes. Okay, this is the channel which we have been training this channel for the longest time. This is the channel we're actually expecting a breakout from here. So now, as day traders, we are looking out. We are going to be looking out for possible entries in the 1 hour and on the 30-minute time frame as always. Okay, we have some rejections from here. Price, we had this price pullback here. Price pullback. This was the morning, and gave us got equal lows. Price gave us this equal lows. This equal lows. What is this? Well, this equal loss is an indication. What is it? It's an indication that we are rejecting this level and price giving us equal loss like double bottom. It's an indication that we are actually pushing to the upside. Okay, so we map out this low and we map out the recent high. This is the most recent high. This is our most recent high. Map it out. Map out this high. This is our most recent high. Map it out perfectly. Good. So we have a high map out already. Look at you guys should take note of you guys should look at what we're doing here. We had this and we had this. I think we should do this sometime. Okay. Well, let's map out this key level here. This key level. Perfect. You guys should take note. You guys should look at what I'm doing perfectly well and ask your questions after this. Okay. What I was expecting to see on gold, remember whenever we break out from this low, whenever we break out from this key level, this level I've just mapped out is actually a very important key level. Okay, let me map out the neckline of the market. This is the neckline. This is our neckline. Start from this. This is our neckline. All of this is our neckline. Perfect. Perfect. All right. So today morning, around 12 p.m. we break out from here. I was waiting to see price close above here with the body, and price actually close with the body and close above here. And I was expecting to see price take out this and neckline and close with the body, but it rejected below. It actually rejected below. Remember, this is the New York session market. It's very, very volatile in the New York session, most importantly. All right, we rejected it and price actually give us a rejection candle. This is dodging. The rejected is low, indicating that we might be. These rejections actually was telling us we might be pushing back here, giving us this weakness. Here and boom, we continue our direction. But remember, this is the New York session market is very, very volatile. We might not have this retest as it's like this. As I think we might not have the retest, but should this retest actually pull back? This rejection is actually very solid on the 10-minute time frame. Let's see what the F4 stand will never have any rejections. Then 30 minutes is still good. All right, so we might reject it from here, pulling back downward like this and continue the direction. Else, remember this is the New York session, our market is very, very volatile. We might just continue. If you go down to the 15-minute time frame, you clearly see the already retested this we already retested here. We're expecting a retest here, and we're expecting from here. If price is pulling back, then it's going to draw back and boom, give us this retest. So actually, I'm actually waiting to see. We already close here with the 15-minute time frame. We already close with the but remember the confirmation entry, you can't get an entries on the 15-minute time frame. So that's why we work mostly on the 30-minute and 1 hour. 1 hour, we didn't have the close above, we had a rejection. This candle is going to close in 25 minutes. Should this candle close above, then we're going to be having something like this. We're going to continue, like exactly, you guys trade price, remember what trading price action. Once we break out from this and neckline and close to the body, we get our entries from here. We get entries from here and our stop loss beneath here, our stop loss here, just beneath like 50% and aim for the high. This was the high. This is the high. Okay, boom. So that is that. But remember, anything I'm looking for out, anything I'm looking for on gold is actually buys. I'm looking out for buy opportunities on gold. I'm not looking out for sell opportunities on gold. I'm looking out for just buy opportunities on gold. Okay, that's that. That's gold. Like I said, this is the New York session market is so volatile. We might not have this rejection, we might not pull back right to this level. Remember on the 15 minute time frame, we already retested. We already retested. Let me look at the 5 minute. The retest is very clean on the 15 minute. Perfect. Here's the retest. We already retested here on the 5 minute time frame. So I'm expecting gold to just continue pulling up and pull up to this area here. Yeah, so that's what we can clearly see on gold. That's that for gold. That's the setup for gold. So if you guys come across any buy opportunities on gold today, I bet if the person is trading price action, this is what the person is doing. This is how the person got his or entry. The person got his or entry from this level here. After this retail, after this retest, then the stop loss is here. Anyone who is trading price action and bought gold today and bought gold and bought gold about at 12. This is the entry the person needs. Price action. Remember, price action is key. We are just this breakout retest. This was the main point of interest on gold, this level here. Currently, I'm looking at this. I currently had a buy on gold. I currently had this buy on gold. This buy, I'm just showing you guys this buy here. I currently had this buy for me after this breakout, and I'm still running. Okay, the tree is actually still running. This is the tree. Tree is still running. This is buy on gold. I don't know. I'm not sure you guys can see my screen. If you guys can see me, but this is the buy on gold, and the tree is still running. I had this buy and it's still running. And this is just how I got the buy. This is all explained here. This is how I got the buy. I'm targeting this high above here. This is how I got the buy on gold XAUUSD. I'm targeting this high. So I'm expecting price to block here. Let's put on the 30 minutes. Remember, we're not working a lot of the 50 on this one or more, this lower time frames because okay, so I'm expecting price to pull up here. Price is gonna pull. You might push right up here and have this arbitrage. If volatility drops out of the market, then we pull back and the case trend line and boom, we continue up. That's what we have. That's what I'm seeing on gold. Yes, that is just how I got the trade, and the trade is actually still running. That's just a brief summary on how I got the trade. Okay, so if you are anticipating to buy gold, from my point of view, from what I'm seeing on the chart, immediately this candle closes above this and neckline, if this candle succeeds to close above here, then it's very clear enough for you to enter your stop loss beneath here, and you aim for this, you aim for your 100 pips. If you must buy gold, this is what you should be expecting if you must buy gold. If you must buy gold, this is what you should be aiming for if you must buy gold. Alright guys, that's that for gold. The gold setup is actually playing. Remember, if you have anything, if you have any update, do it. I hope all of you guys are on our free Telegram channel, which all of these updates have been sent there for free of charge. Okay, let's look out on gold on. Remember, we're buying GBPJPY, right? Buy opportunity on GBPJPY. Let's see how it's actually going. GBPJPY. Okay, guys, so that is that for GBPJPY. If you have any questions, drop them. So far, if you have any question, I think we're done. I'll just update on the center. I'll send them the Telegram channel. By the way, you guys check it out. All right, guys. Ciao. See you guys next week. Wednesday. Please, any question, drop them. Let's see. Any question, please. Any question. 5 minutes. No question by 5 minutes, then we go. Thank you guys very much for joining the live today. Any question you drop them by 5 minutes, then you do. Guys. Yeah, we really check gold, Mr. Houston. We really check out gold. There's no problem. Let's check it again. Okay, Mr. Whitman, let's just check gold one last time before we go. Let's check one last time before we go, Mr. Whitman. All right. Gold is actually buying. Gold has been bullish. Gold is actually very, very bullish. Gold is very, very bullish at the moment. Let me share my screen. Sorry. Let me share my screen. But there is back signal sense in the VI channel on the free channel. I'm sure you guys will be sure. Yes, that's my screen installation. Can you see my screen? Installation. Can you see my screen? Mr. Wilfred, I'm sure everyone's still here. Okay, let me just check out Google and share this new one. I think I don't feel like trying today and tomorrow again. Okay, so I'm sure you can see my screen. Okay. Yes, okay. Oh, yeah, I can. Mr. Wilfred, I'm sure you can see my screen. Okay, this is good. This is good. Gold is actually always in boom. Gold is actually going always in. Like I said, if you like more, we should wait and see how it closes. Always is still giving us indication that so it's very, very much safe to if you must buy, if you must trade gold, it's very, very much safe. If you want to trade gold, then you just like I said, market is so volatile in this new option. That's what the dollar is back to supposed to have. It's very, very volatile. So if you must trade gold, you just get your stop loss. You are not going to have good risk to reward trade. You're not going to have good risk to reward. You're going to have something like 1:1 if you must trade gold because your stop loss has to be very safe. So when you wait for this pullback, Trade gold, just be patient and wait for this pullback. Wait for this pullback and just mark out here this pullback. Wait out for this pullback. Wait for this pullback and you can buy gold. Wait for this pullback and you buy gold. Yeah, so that's that. Don't be in a hurry to trade gold now. Just wait. Once you get here, we are going to have rejections and rejections down here, and once you reject and pull back down, it's very much safe to buy from there. Okay, that is away from that's what we have to go. So for that pullback, once the pullback comes, then you move, you can start up your positions and gain on your buys. And like I would like we did the total analysis is very much you can clearly see gold is actually it just be tested and we are waiting for the impulse move. That move is going to be coming either today or tomorrow. They'll say we're going to be having either Asian session today or tomorrow New York session. So you just patiently wait and see how the New York sessions today closes and but just all what you should be waiting for on buy, you should be anticipating buy opportunities on gold. Don't try to sell gold. Don't try to sell gold, try to buy gold. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your time and attention. Reflect. See you guys. See you again next Wednesday. Wednesday, I always do check it up, obviously. I always do check it on Wednesday. Thank you very much. See you next week.